Okay, all right. So we'll just go to the next year, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Today's date is 20. Sir, 144.
Was it 44 that we did last? It was
Yes.
40 now.
No,
No,
it
it was
was
not 44.
that
It
we
was
did there
40.
are 600 pupils in a school. If 33 on number 1 over 3% are girls, how many boys are there in
Oh,
this?
yeah, 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 yeah. I remember. Sorry. I remember. Yes. We didn't have the picture, but we read it to ourselves, right?
Yes, sir.
I remember, yes. Okay. Okay. So let's see.
I
Okay,
believe
so
I
now we know what we'll do. While we're waiting for homework, while we're waiting for your mom, let's look at your homework first.
okay. Oh my Jesus. Jesus. Mommy, did you snap this side of my homework? This is the first time. This
Yes,
video
your
is
mom snapped your homework to me. So
the
now
first
let's
time.
look at the questions, right? Hmm, let's see. There were quite a number of questions I sent. I hope we will even have time. Okay, maybe these questions might, if you guys really did it well, then we might just still have some time to do common entrance questions. All right. So the first one says, what fraction of 36 naira 36 kobo is 6 kobo? What fraction of 36 naira 36 kobo is 6 kobo? All right, so let's take a look at what was expected there.
I knew
So
the
you know the answer. You always know the answer. Okay, so don't worry. Let's see if your answer is correct, right? So 36 naira, 36 kobo. Which one will be on top and which one will be under?
36 naira will be on the bottom. So 6 naira will be on the top.
6 kobo, not 6 naira.
6 kobo.
Uh-huh. So 6 kobo will be on top, right? At least we
Yes.
agree on that. So if there was any mark for that, you will get the full mark. Now, if you change 36 naira, 36 kobo to kobo, it's going to be
36.
3,000. It's going to
No,
be 3,636
3,636.
kobo, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, this is where the real thing comes up. So now let's see if you divided it correctly. So what's the first thing we're supposed to do?
We divide it by 6. 6 and
Thank
6.
you. So we're going to use 6. 6 in itself is what?
600 and 6 divided by 3,636. It will be 606.
6.
06.
Okay. That's good. All right.
We
Let me ask a
calculated it to see
question.
if we got the correct answer. You see,
Let me
calculated,
ask a question.
sir?
Why didn't you were you at any point did you at any point mistakenly think that the at the bottom here it will be 66 instead of 606?
Me, before I thought of it, I timed it by 6. It did not give me the correct answer. And I add 0 to the.
Oh,
I added 0.
really?
Yes, sir.
Eh?
Yes, sir.
Wow. Hmm.
Hmm.
Okay, you know what, let me show you for how to do it so that you don't need to be checking before you know whether you're correct or not. Now imagine if you are sure of yourself without checking. Remember,
Yes, sir.
we're trying to look for how to save time. Okay. Now, do you know what? There's when you're learning a concept initially, yes,
Yes,
you have that, it's excitement. Hold on, let me finish. You feel excited, you want to check. When you check, your check like validates and tells you that really, yes, you are correct. and you feel good about it. But do you know that if you have to do that every time you do something in a question, imagine you have 50 questions. Do you know that you would have wasted time checking each time? Whereas if you are just sure of what you are doing and you use the right method, you don't need to check each time. Faith, what do you want to ask?
I'm not asking anything. I want to say something.
Okay,
Before
I'm listening.
when I wrote 66, I just said
Mm-hmm.
no, it cannot be the answer. 66
It
before.
cannot be the okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
So I divided it again. I did 36 in 6 is 6. So 6 in 3 is 0. So carry the 3, put
Okay.
it next to the 6. It will
Okay, that's good. That's
6 in
correct. That's
36 is
correct. Yes, because the 6 is bigger than 3. So 6 in 3 is 0. Correct. I agree with that. Perfect. Okay. So well done. That's a good one.
Woo!
So
So that's it.
yes. So
We are
Favor,
marking.
I hope that was how you did your own too. I
Yes,
think that
I
was how
did it.
yes, that was how
I
Favor
don't
did it.
want to.
But Favor,
Huh?
you said that you had to do you thought that it was 66. Then when you checked it, you saw that
No,
66
it
times
was
6.
no. It was not Miss Faith. I said that no. I remember how they taught us in school, so I was really sure my
Oh,
answer was 606.
and 6. Okay, nice, nice. Okay, that's good. All right, so let's go to the second one. The second one is pretty simple too, I think. It
Yeah.
says so if Elizabeth is driving or started driving, right? She
Yes.
started driving to the airport at 6 a.m. Remember, starting the
Yeah.
start time is what 6 a.m. And what's next? To catch her flight. And she covers a distance of how many kilometers? 50 kilometers at a steady speed. Take note of that word steady. That means she doesn't change her speed at any point. At a steady speed of 25 kilometers per hour. The question is this: what time did she arrive at the airport?
8
Okay, that's
a.m.
number 8 a.m. Okay, nice, correct. I like that. You got the answer. 8 a.m. Now the second question: if
So
her
now
flight
I want
was
to write equals to d over t. I can write it off and equals to the speed was 25. 25
yes,
equals to 50 over t.
yes. So you now
So
switch places,
we
right?
switch it.
Yes.
We switch it again. We now write our
Okay.
to equals to t equals to 50 over
Over 25.
25. We will divide
Correct.
it 10.
Yes, and that gave you
This one is
2.
5.
Correct. I
We
like
give us
that. Perfect. And then you
uh,
added the 2 to 6 a.m., right?
yes, sir. Oh, that's
To
not
make
good.
it 8 a.m. Good. Now, look at the second question. I want to know if you got it. If her flight was scheduled for 7:30 a.m., will she be able to meet up with that flight?
No. I wrote, see what I wrote. I wrote, no,
What did
Elizabeth
you
was not able to catch up with her flight. So I now wrote
okay,
6, 2 no, plus 6, 2 plus 6 equals 8. 8
8.
a.m. That's
Okay.
when she reached. Now, Favour said
Okay.
that, she couldn't or wouldn't. She
She wouldn't
wouldn't
be able to
reach
meet
her
up.
flight
Thank you.
on time. She was 30
Yes.
minutes late.
Thank you. And you know what happens when somebody misses a flight?
Oh, you have to reschedule.
You have to reschedule, and sometimes you even pay more because of,
Yes. The same thing like
like a
how
fine.
we got late for our flights.
Mm,
We even got late, but thank God they were still doing check.
okay, that's
Only
good.
that's even good.
Well, it's not that it's good that it's Nigerian system. Anyway, there are some places that 1 minute, if you are there, if you miss it by 1 minute, that's it. But
We
thank
thank
God for favor.
you.
Mm, the favor of God. All right, so let's move on. So that's good. I like the fact that you got number 2 correctly. We don't need to do any work on that anymore. That's good. Number 3 says 2 whole number 3/4 plus f equals 9.5. Find f. So let's see if you girls got that correctly.
Number
Um,
3 answer is 6 whole number 3/4. Yeah.
are you sure about that?
Very sure.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so let's see if you are correct. That's number 3, right?
Yes. Sick.
Okay, so
Starting
we
it.
know that f will be equal to what?
What is the question again? Question is what?
The
F.
the question was this. Let me write it. I think we didn't need to do anything in number 2. So let me just write number 3. It says if 2 whole number 3/4, right?
2 whole number 3/4 plus
Plus f,
equals
yes, equals
equals to
equals
9 whole number 1/2.
uh-huh.
Find F.
So they now said you should find f. So
So we do like
now
this. We
let's
collect like things. Correct.
mm-hmm,
So we collect
like
like
terms. So what are the like terms?
9 whole
Which one will go
number
to me?
1/2 minus 2 whole number we go to 9. So it will be 9 whole number 1/2 minus 2 whole number 3
3
over
over
4.
4. Good. Okay, so let's see what will happen there. Now, you know that I think this was is similar to that one that we did in the last class. So what's the
Yes.
LCM in this case? What's the first
4.
thing we'll do?
4. We'll do 4 and
Hmm?
2 is 2. No,
No,
wait,
I don't agree with you. That
wait.
LCM is
9
not
in,
correct.
wait, you carry the
Hold
root,
on.
the whole
What's the
number.
LCM of 2 and 4? It's
4.
not up to 12 now.
4 you can go in 4, 4 can go in 2.
Okay. I thought you said 12. Sorry. Okay, yes. Okay. So that's 7 whole number is the whole number part, right?
Yes, sir. 7 whole number
Okay.
equals 4 in 2 is 2. 2 times 1
No,
is
we don't say 4 in 2. You say 2 in 4. Hmm?
okay, sir. This
So
2.
let's take it again. So 2 in 4 is 2. 2 times 1 is 2, right?
Yes, sir. Minus 4 in
Mm-hmm.
4 is
Is 1.
3. The 1.
Eh?
1 times
1. 1
3
times 3.
is
3.
3. So I
Okay.
have to do the same method. Same.
Yes.
You do the LCM as 4. Then the homage fraction will minus it by 1. Then
Yes.
now our
Okay,
LCM.
so that's going to be 4 plus 2 minus 3, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And what will that give you? 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 minus 3 is 3. Excellent. You people are correct. Nice work. So the answer is
Over
6
3
whole
now.
number. Yes. So well done. You people are improving. So that's 6 whole number 3/4.
Yes, sir.
Nice
There's
work.
one question I don't understand. Is it number what? No. 11. 11 that is simple. I don't understand. The answer is 102
Oh,
more boxes.
okay. So we'll find out how Faith did her own when we get there. Okay, so let's go to number 4. So what's the answer to number 4?
Right. I don't understand number 4. I understand number 4 is always 11. I don't understand. Number 4 is very simple. 4 minus 10 equals to 8 whole number 1/6. You no need of collecting like tens. Eh? Who told you?
Are you sure? How
No, you
come?
don't.
Did you not need to collect like terms? That's not possible. You cannot do that question without collecting like
We
terms.
collect like tens.
Mm-hmm.
It will, 10 should
So
go and meet 10 should go and meet 8.
10 should go and meet 8. Okay. So if 10 goes to go and meet 8, what will now happen?
It will change to J equal to 8 whole number 1 over 6 plus 10 whole number 3 over 8.
Correct. So is that not collecting of like terms?
Yes, sir. Oh,
Mm-hmm.
nice.
So 8 whole number 1 over 6 plus 10 whole number 3 over 8. So what's the LCM in this case?
24. Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. I think I agree with that. 24.
Oh, there's nothing can
Okay, but the
divide.
whole number, how about the whole number part?
The whole number is 18
18. Okay, nice.
over
Okay,
20.
so
24 in 6 is 4. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 plus 24
oh,
in 8 is 10.
okay. That's why
3
you
times
said
8 is 9. That is 9 equals plus 9 over 24 equals to 18 whole number 13 over 24.
13 over 24. Was that what you got?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So yes, that's correct. Well done. Nice job. So you people are, should I say that you people are now experts in fractions?
Yeah.
Okay. Don't worry. Let me see. Let's see. I think we've explored all the possible scenarios. So if you can do this, then I'm sure you can do anyone that they bring in this kind of field. That's good. Well done. Okay, so let's go to number 5, right? What's the answer to number 5? Now, number 5, you need to be careful with number 5. Were you able to do number 5?
Number 5. Yes,
Yes.
sir.
That's 13
We
whole
got
number 2 over 5
the thing was
minus
very simple. We
6a.
got 24. We got 4. If we divide it by 6, that will be 24.
You got
That will
4 or
be
you got 24. Which one?
No, it will be 4. It's 4. I got my answer. It's 4. Number 5 is 4.
Uh-uh.
Plus 5. See, that's
Faith, you don't
6A.
seem to agree. Faith, you
6A
don't
is
seem to
not
agree.
divided by 24. The same thing like number
She
9.
forgot.
Ah,
Yes. Aya, Faith, fix your own. You forgot to divide it by 24. Go ahead and fix it.
no, but
When you
divided by
divide both
6.
sides, divide
Yes,
both sides by 6
by
rather.
6.
Yes. You have 4.
Yes, I got the answer. Dang, dang.
So, Faith, are you good? Have you been able
I
to get the
got.
correct answer now?
Wait, let me see what you wrote. You got, you not divided by 6. You left that 6 alone. You left it. You thought that it was just like normal distance, but it was number 9 that question we saw. Let me show you.
So, Faith, do you want us to solve it in class or you can fix it by yourself?
You can fix it by yourself. So, are you my mouth?
Okay. 13 whole number 2 over 5. So let's solve it. She asked for it, so let's solve it.
Did
13
you
whole
not got
number.
that 24?
Yes. If you got that 24, then you are correct. At least you are correct up to that point. So I think, yes, you are correct up to the point of the getting the 24. What you now have left is that the question uh, asks us to find A, not 6A. So if you don't get A and you leave it as 24, that's where the problem is. So you have to divide both
How I
sides by
left it.
what?
6. 6.
10 whole number 3 over 5. Okay, so I think everybody would have gotten up to this point.
Yes, sir. We haven't gotten to
So
already. I wrote it
yeah,
down.
I haven't. Yes. So that's because I'm writing it. So 6A,
Ah,
sorry, you guys collected like terms first, right?
yes, sir. Yes.
So
So,
which one moved to which side?
13 will move to 10 side. Yes, not 10 will move to 13.
Okay.
Let me see. Wait. Let me see
Are you
your.
sure 13 will move to 10 side?
Yes, sir. I'm so sure.
There is a minus in front of 10. No. There is a minus in front of 10. So are you sure 10 should be the one moving?
So you see this
Sorry,
now.
are you sure that
10 will
are you
move
sure
to
that
10.
13
13 should move to
is
10.
no, it's 10 that should move to
Move
13.
to
Let me
13.
show you why. Can you see that minus there in
Yes.
front of 10? That's what will make 10 better to move to 13. So when it moves to 13, 13 will still be there. It will be 13 whole number 2 over 5 plus,
Yeah.
plus what?
10 whole number 3 over 5. No, it's 2. It's 2 in arrow 3. It's 2.
Oh, sorry, my bad. Sorry, it's 2. Okay, plus 10 whole number 3 over 5, right?
Yes, yes.
I think that's how you got that 24, because by the time you now do the LCM and all that, everything will come out with 24. But let
Yes,
me
sir.
just now remember 6A will do what will happen to 6A. 6A will be alone on the right hand side, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Now who can tell me why 6A became positive? Before it was negative. How did it become positive? Who can tell me?
Because we minus 10. We moved we moved it to the, we crossed it over. Yes, thank you.
Okay. Okay. Yes, that's one way you can look at it. Another way you can look at it is that by the
Because of the
time
minus 10.
by the time you move that minus 10 to the right hand side, what was left there was 0. And by the time you see that minus 6A in front, that minus in front of 6A, then naturally you should be adding 6A to both sides. And 0 plus anything is that same thing, isn't it?
Yeah.
Excellent. So now let us do our right hand side. 13 plus 10 is 23, right?
Yes. Yes.
That is, in fact, the 24 is even coming out clearly. It's very easy how we
Coming
got
out.
24.
Oh.
Because look at it,
Hey.
clearly there. 5 is there, isn't it?
Yes,
5
sir.
in 5 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2.
Yeah.
And 5 again in 5 is 1. 1 times 3 is 3. You
Yes,
now
sir.
have 2 plus 3, which is what? 5. And 2 plus 3 being 5 over 5. Remember that that thing is the same thing as 23 whole number plus 5 over 5, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
And
No,
5
no.
over 5 is what?
One
Is
whole
1,
number plus 23. That will be 24. 24 divided by
which is
6. That will be
which is
4.
what?
Hey, how do
24.
you know this
Okay.
time? 10
Okay.
plus 10.
So Faith, can you see how we got it?
Eh?
Can you see how we got the A equals 4?
The faith, can you see it? Can you see it? Can you see it? This is it. So this is the answer for number 10 and 11. Let that gap. God knows.
Okay. So can we move on now to the next one?
Yes.
Faith, do you want us? Can we go on?
Yes, sir. I've even finished. I was
Okay.
when you were saying 23, even when you were writing 13 no number 2 over 5, I was already done waiting for all of you.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. All right, good. So let's move on to number 6. So did you get number 6?
Oh yes, I got number 6.
Number
That is 8. 8.
number 6 was easy, right?
Yes, and it is 846. Eh? What did you say now? Yeah, madam.
Are you sure about that?
Yes. It's not correct. It's correct.
Hold on now, hold on. Now look at the question very well. You know it is not addition. The question said, what are the missing numbers in the following subtraction?
You get
Subtraction.
104, 154. Ding, ding.
Mm-hmm.
154, 154.
Favour,
Oh,
do you see why I always tell people to read questions twice before answering? Why?
yeah.
Because the first time you read it, you may miss out some information. The second time you read it, you are looking out for the
Oh,
facts,
son, who
isn't it?
read, son, who read subtraction? He wrote
Look
it
at
already.
it
Maybe.
very well now. What
Sir,
are the
can you open
missing
your, sir, can you
numbers?
open your WhatsApp screen so Favour can see very well?
She doesn't believe that it is subtraction. Okay, no problem. Let me share my screen.
I don't believe, oh.
Hmm.
Mm.
Okay. So what if I show you that it is actually, can you see
Mhm.
it?
No, still loading.
Look at it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You
Number
can see
six.
it now. Can you see it?
Yeah. In the
Can you
following
see it now?
subtraction. Maybe I've seen it
What?
now.
I
Hmm.
think she has seen it.
No, sir, you
Okay.
changed it. It no, she not,
I
you
didn't
know.
change it. I didn't.
Hmm.
uh-uh. If I why would I change it? And when would I have changed it? After sending it to your mom. I didn't change it. Hmm? It would be unfair for me to change it now. What do you think? Don't you think
That's
it would be unfair for me to change it?
oh.
Okay, so let's solve it, but don't worry. Next, the good thing is that it's not as if you failed it. The only, let me say, it's not as if you failed it because you don't know how to do it. You failed it because you didn't read the question well. So next time, read the question twice, okay? So that you don't miss it. So let us see if Favour is correct.
No faith.
Sorry, if Faith is correct. Sorry. So 745 dot 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 591. Okay. So what's the only way we can get a 1 out of 5 if it's subtraction? Is -4. So far Faith is correct. 4. Now you have a 9. That means 4 must have borrowed 1 from 7. So
Yeah.
14 minus what will give you 9. The only thing that will make that happen is 5. Favour, are you following us at all?
Sir. Build that one.
Okay. So 14
So this is
minus 5
something
is
that
9.
do this one. I don't tell you that I should do it.
I didn't hear what you said. What did you say?
Faith said I feel this one. That's because I feel the simplest one. That's why.
Okay, don't worry now. I've explained to you what happened. The only reason you failed it was because you didn't read it properly.
Sir, are you
So
writing
you've
something
you've
on? Are
learned.
you writing something?
No, I'm not. I'm not. I'm
Uh-huh.
not. I'm just doing it verbally. Do you want me to write?
Yes, no. Sir.
Favour, you're the one that even needs the writing more. Don't you think so?
Okay. And listen that.
So I think
That.
I'll write. Okay.
Sir, yes, sir.
So
Sir, Faith is singing. Hmm. I think
745.
that. Sing out here. That you sang. Hmm. When. Oh, that is singing.
7, 4, and 5.
Five.
Okay. All right. So we said it's subtraction. So remember to put your subtraction sign and then put the things that are
So
underneath
I'm
5,
waiting
9,
for.
and 1.
So I'm waiting for you in number 7.
Oh, nice. You're telling us that you have gotten the answer and you're sure of yourself, eh?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
You borrow
Don't
from
worry.
Paul.
Let's
Oh,
confirm.
wait, people they wait me.
So
Ah, you know, Jen.
so 5 minus 4 will give us 1. That one is correct. Now we said that this is 9. 9 is bigger than 4. So obviously 4 must have borrowed 1 from 7 to make it 6. And then it will become 14. 14 minus what will give us 9? The only number that will make that possible is 5. So
Hi.
14 minus 5 will give us 9. And then finally, the only thing that will make us to subtract um that will subtract from 6 to give us 5 is 1. So the answer is
Oh,
154.
Gatito. I got Tito. I got.
Okay, so Favour, you can see that this is not something that you don't know. It's something that you can do by yourself, isn't it?
Of course.
Of course, I like that confidence. So let's go and meet Faith
Sir, in
in
number
number
5, did
7.
I still get? Sir, in number 5, did I not? Did I still get it?
Of course, you got it now. We know you
Only
got it.
because of that 6th division. So that would be half mark.
Yes.
It will be half.
Okay, so can we go to number 7 now? Let's see how fast we can go. We have almost used up 1 hour. Number 7 says we have 2 rectangles. Now, I'm really looking forward to hearing that you guys got this. So let's see if you got it. We have 2 rectangles before us which have equal perimeters. Take note of that word, equal perimeters, or that phrase. Rectangle A has a width of 9 cm and length of 5 cm, while rectangle B has a width of 2 cm. What is rectangle B's length? What is rectangle
1
B's
centimeter.
length? Was that what you got? You got 1 centimeter.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You both agree that it's 1 centimeter. All right. Let's see if you're correct. So the first thing I will do in this question is to calculate the perimeter of rectangle A. What did you get as your answer for perimeter of rectangle A?
So I'm coming. So the perimeter.
Yes, go ahead now. What did you get as the perimeter for rectangle A? Favour, do you want to share with us?
Yes, sir.
Tell us what you got as your answer.
I go to, let's say 10 centimeter.
No, it's not possible now. Look at what the question said. Width of 9 centimeter, length of 5 centimeter. You've forgotten the formula.
Oh, sir, no. That will be equals to 10 centimeters. No,
Ah, wow. Faith and Favour, didn't you put do number 7?
yes, sir. So can I say my own for rectangle A? Rectangle A is
Yes, what's your own?
18 centimeter.
No, not correct.
45 centimeter.
Still not correct.
Sir, can you please show us the question again?
I just read it now.
Please, can you please see it again?
You want to see it?
Yes, sir.
I have to share my screen again. Can you see it now?
Yes,
Can you
sir.
see it now? We have 2
Yes,
rectangles before us which have equal parameters.
Yes, sir.
Rectangle A has a width of 9 centimeters and length of 5 centimeters. Have you seen it now?
B's length is going to be I just said it just now. It's 90 centimeter squared.
It's not possible now. How will it be 90 centimeters squared? And you're even putting squared on it. That's wonderful. So I don't know how people are getting these things. Let me just solve it. So the perimeter, we know that formula for perimeter is what? 2L, 2 into bracket L plus B, right?
That's what we wrote.
Girls, pay attention. No. Pay attention. Let's solve this thing so that we will finish in before 10 o'clock. Or, as soon as we finish, we'll go on break quickly. Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
So perimeter for A, please take note. This is perimeter for A. Look at how I'm writing it. PA. Okay, P, and I wrote the A small at the bottom of P. So write it like that in your book when you're writing, not now when you're writing. Now, what is L? What's the length for A? Oh yeah, quickly, give me what you have in your book.
Area. So to be area length times open bracket two open bracket length times breadth.
I know. I've already done that. What is the length for A?
Length is 5 and breadth
Length is 5. Thank you. Length is 5. What is the breadth?
9.
Thank you very much. It's 9. Even though the question called it width, we know that another name for breadth is what? Width, isn't it? Was that what tripped you up? Was that what made you to fail it? You don't remember that width is also called breadth.
Which fatal? You did it
Oh
yourself when
yeah,
I was
let's fix it. 2 times 5 is what?
2 times 5 is 10.
2 times 9 is what?
18.
18. So 10 plus 18 is what?
28.
So can you see the correct perimeter for A? Mm? Can you see the correct perimeter for A now? But that's not
Yeah.
the final answer. 28 what? Please
28
take note. It's
centimeter.
centimeters. Please, not centimeters squared. I'm begging you. It's centimeters. Now, remember the question said that A and B have the same perimeters. So what does that tell me?
You have to divide it by 2.
Okay, so now don't worry, we'll find out whether what we're dividing by 2. So perimeter for B is also going to be equal to what? 2 times length plus breadth, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
But now what is the length? Or which one are we even looking for, Seth? Let's look at the question again. The question said, what is rectangle B's length? So they told us that rectangle B's width is 2 cm. So that means we're going to have L plus what? 2. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
And you close the bracket. So now who can tell me what I'm going to do next?
We're going to do
We're going to multiply 2 times L, isn't it? Hello?
Yes, sir.
We're going to multiply 2 by L and we'll have what? 2L, isn't it? Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
And we're going to multiply 2 by 2 to give us 4, right?
Yes.
Yes, now. Yes, now. Is it not? You did not do that?
No. She did not do anything.
That would be surprising, no? If you did not do that, that would be surprising. So we have that 28 equals to what? 2L plus 4. So can we collect like terms quickly? Talk to me. See, if we did not get this question, I expect you to pay attention more.
Okay.
Don't be overconfident. Don't be too confident because of the ones you've gotten. This one, if you missed it, I mean, I was disappointed.
Okay,
So
sir.
can we?
Favour is disturbing me. She's using pen to choke me. I don't use pen to choke
Favor,
you. No, you
favor,
sir. Sir, you
favor. Just pay attention. Leave her alone. Just pay attention. Let's focus. What are we going to do next? Who can tell me? Favor, yeah, talk. Since you are paying attention, let's hear you. You claim you are to be paying attention. What are we going to do next?
What should divide by 2?
Eh?
I'm going to divide
What
by
did she
2.
say?
She said we are going to divide by 2.
We can't. Okay. So now, do you know what? Let me say something. Faith and Favor, I need you to come closer to the screen. You're not even looking at the screen. You said I will divide by 2. Now,
She said she's
the way
angry.
I'm doing it, I know you probably divided your own by 2. I can't do that in my own because of the way I have gone. I can't do this way. I have to do what? I have to move 4 to go and join 28. Do you understand, Favor? Favor is not answering me. Favor, can you come closer to the screen so that you can see what I'm saying? Faith, please let her see. Let her get closer to the screen, please. Favour, can you see the screen or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we're going to move 4 over to this side to meet 28, right? I'm not hearing anything from both of you. We're going to move 4 over to 28, isn't it?
Sir.
Hmm. Faith, do you understand what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that will now be 28 minus 4 equals 2L. 28 minus 4 is what?
24, 2L.
Is 24. Thank you very much. So what am I going to do to both sides?
Divide by 28 by 2.
Thank you. Divide both sides by 2. 24 equals 2L. So what would my L now be? What will L now be? Faith, you're no more talking because
Yeah.
Favour is no more talking because Faith made her angry. Is that how we behave in class?
There's no favor and faith.
Hmm?
No favor and faith. You said that we should concentrate and concentrating.
Okay. So 2 in itself is 1 and 2 in 24 is 12. So the answer is what? 12.
Yeah.
So please, the answer is not 1. I don't know how people got 1, but obviously you have some workings in your book, but those workings are wrong. Please write down the correct thing from my screen. Therefore, L is equal to 12. 12 cm, please, not just 12. I told you units are very important. 12 cm. Okay,
So,
so let me draw a line so that you don't go and mistake anything that is done here. Okay, all right, so I'm waiting for you before we go to number 8. Number 8 is very much like number 7. But number 8 is simpler. Did you guys notice that? Number 8 is way simpler than number 7. They've given you everything in number 8. You are just comparing two rectangles.
yes, the
Favour,
answer is
were you able to
rectangle.
do number 8?
Yes, I've even finished. Yes.
Okay. Faith, were you
The
able to do
answer,
number 8?
yes, is rectangle 2.
Rectangle 2. Okay, so let's look at it. Again, we have two rectangles. They have both same breadth, but rectangle 1 has the length of 7 cm, has the length of 7 meters. I think that's where somebody will probably be tripped up. And while rectangle 2 has a length of 7 centimeters. The question is this: which one has a bigger perimeter? Which
Rectangle.
one has
Rectangle.
a bigger perimeter? So let me hear from you. Favour, what did you
Rectangle.
say? Rectangle 2 or rectangle 1?
Rectangle 2.
Now tell me why you feel rectangle 2 has a bigger perimeter than rectangle 1.
Because sir?
Go ahead, I'm listening.
Because you are looking for which one has the biggest perimeter, and that is perimeter 2.
Why? No, tell me why now. How?
Because we want to get our answer.
Okay, now I want you to tell me, how did you arrive at your answer? You just said rectangle 2. They told you that they have the same breadth. Did you see that? Did they tell you what the breadth was? So how did you arrive at your answer that both of them, which one is bigger?
Don't know.
I'm not hearing anything from both of you.
I calculated this.
You calculated what? There's nothing to calculate here. It's a reasoning question. Look at it very well.
Okay,
Absolutely
rectangle
nothing to.
1.
There's nothing to calculate. Look at it well now. Who can talk? Who can answer me? I need a very good, confident answer now. Why is rectangle 2 the answer, or why is rectangle 1 the answer? That's what I want to hear. Why?
The rectangle 1, let me just say for both sides. Rectangle 1, rectangle 1, why is going to be the answer? If someone says the answer, it's going to be a higher, it has a higher perimeter. So rectangle 2 says it has a lower perimeter.
You've not still answered my question. Why did you say rectangle 1 has a bigger perimeter than rectangle 2? Why?
Because of the perimeter of rectangle 1 is 70 and rectangle 2 is 7.
Wait, how did you know that the perimeter of rectangle 1 is 70? Did they tell you that the breadth? Did they tell you the breadth? Look at the question very well now. So you see, the thing is that you did not really understand the question, and you still answered it, and it was wrong. Now let me explain the question to both of you. Are you both listening?
So we failed that
Hello,
question.
Favour.
So
Yes,
failed that.
yes, you failed it. It's quite clear that you failed it. Favour, are you listening?
Sir.
Favour, please, I need you to sit up. You are no more showing interest in class, and that's disappointing. If there's anything I expect you to do, I expect you to be lively in class. That's the least thing I expect you to do.
So,
Now,
how
question said, let me
so
finish. Hold on, let me finish. The question said both of them have the same breadth. They did not tell you what the breadth was. All they told you that it is the same. The breadth is what? B. Now, nobody is expecting you to calculate anything in this question. Just look at the length. Look at the length. The length has said everything. Now, let me ask you, Favour, 7 meters and 7 centimeters, which one is bigger?
7 centimeter.
Eh?
7 meter.
Centimeters and meter. Are you listening to yourself at all?
7 meter.
7 meters. Why? Because 7 meters. Listen. Hold on. Hey. Don't say you failed it. Just on that. Take it that you failed it. You failed it. 7 meters is 700 centimeters. But 7 centimeters and 700 centimeters, which one is bigger?
700 on 7 centimeter. 7 meter.
I listen to my question again. 7 centimeters and 700 centimeters. Which one is bigger?
700 centimeter.
Thank you. And that is what? 7 meters. Now imagine, even if you wanted to do anything with your bread, has the length not made the perimeter bigger?
Huh?
Has the length not made the perimeter bigger already?
Bigger.
Does it make sense? So when you see that, you don't even need to know what the breadth is. The length alone has already told you which one has a bigger perimeter. Do you understand now? Let me hear from Favour. Favour, do you understand my what I explained now?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure you understand?
Yep. No. Yeah.
Okay. So now let me explain it again. Please, I need it. That's why I was asking you to listen. They told you that two rectangles have the same breadth. So in that case, they are the same. So you cannot really make a decision based on the breadth. Why? They are the same. Now, they now told you the length. They told you that rectangle one has a length of 7 meters, a good 7 meters. Rectangle two has a length of 7 centimeters. They now asked you, which one has a bigger perimeter? Okay. Now, if you were confused, just look at the unit. What did I say?
Just look at the unit.
Thank you. The unit, one is 7 meters, another one is 7 centimeters. Meters and centimeters, which one is bigger? Is it not meters?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. So, based on that, it's rectangle one that is the answer. So can you write that down in your book? Rectangle one is the bigger one, please.
Yes.
And the reason is, you can give a reason why. Put reason in and then put a colon and say that's because 7 meters is bigger, way bigger than 7 centimeters. They don't even come close at all. Then in bracket, you can put 7 meters equals 700 centimeters. So it's clearly the largest or the larger one in this case. So you see, some questions don't even need calculation, just reason. Mathematics is about sometimes calculation, and there's a logic and reasoning part to mathematics. So you have to reason well based on what you are given.
No.
Okay, when you're done writing, let me know. Faith, I hope you are writing. You're not
Done.
just Okay, good. Okay, let's look at number 9. Number 9 says, what's the volume of, if you could fail this one, I'll tell your mommy to spank 2 of you there for me. What is the volume of a box which is 12 meters long, 5 meters wide, and 2 meters deep? Yes, I'm waiting. What did you write, Faith? What was your answer?
5 centimeters.
Where did you get 5 centimeters from? I said, what is the volume of a box which is 12 meters long, 5 meters wide, and 2 meters deep? Volume. We did volume in class now. What's the answer?
60 centimeters.
60K. How did you get 60? 12 times 5 times 2. Is that 60?
Well, that should be 120 as well.
Now you're talking. Is that what you got? Favour, is that what you got? No. Faith, is that what you got? No. So both of you, don't worry. Don't worry. Mom is not going to spank you, but I'm disappointed that you people didn't get this question. It was a very simple this thing now. Volume is one of the simplest topics in math. Just multiply. Length times breadth times height. That deep there is another word for height. Wide is another word for breadth. Just multiply it. Now, please, take note. Before you multiply it, make sure that all of them are in the same unit. What did I say? Thank you very much. Make sure that all of them are in the same unit. And in this question, all of them are meter, meter, meter. So you are good to go. Okay. So have you written down the correct thing? Number 9. I didn't write anything for number 8. I wanted you to write it down by yourselves, and I think you've done that. So number 9, the answer is what? 12 times 5 times 2, right? V equals length times breadth times height. And I said that height is also known as what? Depth. It's also the same thing. Okay. So that's where we got 12 times 5 times 2. Do we have any questions on this? I hope you understand it.
Yes.
Okay. So can we go to number 10 now?
Yes.
Okay. So let me just write it. Now don't forget the unit. What was the unit? Who can tell me the unit? I hope you will get this correctly. What's the unit?
Millimeter.
Millimeter? No.
Centimeter.
Oh yeah, don't worry. Let me give you a hint. 12 is meter. 5 is meter. 2 is meter. M times M is what? Yes, I've given you a hint, so you can't afford to fail it again. M is what?
Quarter.
Yes, I like that.
Quarter.
Excellent. Thank you. Not quarter, that's cubed. Well done. That's meters cubed. Well done. Nice job. So you can write it down in your book now. Meters cubed
I'm
or
done.
cubic meters. Okay, nice. Okay, nice one. So let's go to number 10.
Mm.
Number 10 says,
So
what is the
now
volume of a box?
the volume again.
Oh, sorry, my bad. I didn't see it. Sorry. A big box can be filled up. Favor, I think this is the one that you said that you didn't get. A big box
I
can be
know.
filled up
No,
with
I don't
many
understand.
little
I
boxes.
understand it though. It's
Okay, don't worry.
124 boxes.
Hold on. We'll find out if you're correct. A big box. Okay. So now, Favor, I want you to think about it very well. A big box can be filled up with many little boxes, right? I want you to think about, I don't know if you've seen a box of matches in the kitchen before. Have you seen it before?
Yeah, but I've never.
Favor, have you seen a box of matches in the kitchen before?
Yes.
Ask mommy to show you a box of matches. Now, not just the one box of matches, the one that contains the other boxes of matches. That's the big one. Before you even start taking out the single boxes of matches, the one that contains all of them, that one is a bigger box. Are we listening? That one is a bigger box and it contains the smaller boxes. So this big box that can be filled up with many little boxes is the one that they're talking about. Okay, and it measures what by what by what? Favor, what does it
Yeah.
measure by? What's the measurement? What did you write in your book?
No, I don't understand.
Put your head up and sit down well. Say no understand. Are you looking at the camera in this thing? You sit down well. Oh yeah, sit down. Raise your head up. Move inside now. Go move inside. Are you actually somebody? Yeah, sit down. Don't concentrate. See if I'm not doing 5-5 or anything.
Favor, can you see the screen now? Favor, can you see the screen?
Open your mouth at all. Okay, John.
Okay, let me explain it again. I said a box that contains other smaller boxes. Let me see if I can do a sketch here. Something like this. So this is a box. It's a big box. that smaller boxes can fit into it. Okay. Now, the idea is this. This big box has its own volume. Do you agree with me? This big
Yes.
box has its own volume. Now, inside this big box, I can have smaller boxes. Now, I want you to imagine I'm putting boxes inside this. Watch what's going to happen. This is how it's going to look. It will look like I've stacked some boxes inside. Okay.
Sir,
I want you to just imagine this.
sorry, this
Just
even
imagine this.
service in a big box that have contained 120 little boxes.
I know. I'm
If the
just using
size
it to
of
explain.
the
I'm using
box
it to explain.
big.
It's not going to be exact. Okay. It's just an explanation for explanation. Of course, we'll still solve it. But Favour, do you understand what I mean by little boxes inside a bigger box?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Now that you've gotten that aspect, now the concept of this is that those small boxes filled up the big box completely. There's no space left, none at all. Once you understand it that way, all we now need to do is to find the volume of the big box and divide it by the volume of one of the small boxes. Okay? Should I say it again? Let me take it again. Find the volume of the big box and then divide it by the volume of one of the small boxes. That's all. Okay? So let's do just that. Let me get back my pencil and find the volume. So I'm going to say volume of big. Just watch what I'm going to do. You'll see it will make sense at the end. Volume of the big one, B. Let me write it. Volume of big. Let's see. It's going to look better. So volume of big is equal to. So let's go back to the question and get the dimensions of the box. All right. So the big box measures 8 cm by 5 cm by 10 cm. Now, whenever they don't tell you length by weight by height, what should you do? Just multiply them. Did you hear what I just said?
I did. 40 times 3 equals 120.
Where did you get 40 times 3 from?
No, in the question you gave
8,
us.
8 by 5 by 10. 8 by 5 by 10. Look at it now. 8 by 5 by 10. What does that mean? Is that not 8 times 5 times 10?
Yes, sir. Oh, wow.
Okay, so let's multiply it. 8 times 5 is what? 40. And 40 times 10 is what? Yes, I'm listening.
80 times 10 is 800.
8 times 5 is 40. 40 times 10 is what?
400.
Thank you very much. It's 400. So that's the volume of the big boxes. Of the big box rather. Faith, did you do that in your own? No. So Faith, you didn't get it. So just look at it. Don't worry, you will understand.
For the small box.
Oh, okay. You did. Oh, you only did the one. But you can't do only the one for the small box now. You have to do for both of them. So this is what will happen. So that's 40 cm what? Cubed. So now let's now find the volume of the small one, which I think that may be the one that Faith got. Volume of small. Let me just write it. Small. ALL. Okay, so volume of small is what? Yes, I'm listening.
The volume is the same, almost the same, like 8 times 5 times 3.
No, no, no. Look at it now. 5 by 2 by 4.
1 by 2, 10.
Okay, don't worry. Let me share. It's like you did not see you did not read the question properly. Please look at it very well. Oh. I'm sharing it again. Number 10. A big box can be filled up with many little boxes. The big box measures 8 by 5 by 10. Can you see that? Now, if one of the small boxes measures 5 cm by 2 cm by 4 cm, question, how many of the small boxes will be needed to fill up the big box? Okay, so of course, the question will not just end like that, but let's solve that one first. So have you seen it now?
I did it like this. I did it like this. I did 5 times 2 is 10. 10 times 4 is
Uh,
40. So
okay, then
from
it's correct
nowhere,
now.
from another place, I just where was that right?
Then that's
Please.
correct. If that's what you did, then you're correct. So no, where did you get, what did you say you did again? Come again. What did you say?
I said I did that 5 times 2 is 10 times 4. That
Uh,
is 40. That's how I got my 40.
40. Okay. Okay, so 5 times 2 times 4, isn't it? So,
Not bad.
but then, but that's not the final answer now.
Yes, sir.
So what's the final? Who can tell me what the final answer will be? Who can tell me what the final answer will be? 400 over 40, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
And 400 over 40 is what?
100. Even me that was
Hmm?
calculating for only the small box. I don't calculate for.
Hmm?
Yes, sir. I know
400 over 40 is what?
40 over 40 is 10.
Thank you. It's 10.
And I did not even finish. I didn't thought 40 was the only answer because of I didn't calculate for the big
No,
square.
no. Okay, so now you know how to do it correctly, right?
Yes, sir. I can write, sir. I can
Okay,
write.
so Favor, do you understand the question now? Do you understand how to go about it now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so 400 over 40 is what will tell us how many of those small boxes will go into the big box, because 4 in 40 is 10. So it's just, the answer is 10.
So if I would have to calculate for the big box, I would have gotten it and divided. It's just because of
Oh yes, correct. Yes, you would have done that. So
mm,
so now let me tell you something, Faith. Anytime you see something in a question, a number in a question that you did not use, always ask yourself, why did they put that number in the question? You understand? Because that means that you saw the numbers, but you just didn't use them. Mm? So sometimes there are some numbers in questions that you can't afford. You can't, they couldn't have just put the numbers there. Okay. So, okay, so you can go ahead and write in your book so that we can quickly do number 11 and go on break.
what about number 12?
Is there a number? Oh, yes, true. There's number 12. I even forgot that there's number 12. Okay, we'll do number 11 and number 12. Number 11 was easy now, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, don't worry, we'll find out if it was really, really easy. Oh, sorry, number 10 is not even finished. Number 10 said, now go a step further and find out how many small boxes will be needed to fill up 3 big boxes of the same size as this one. That one is a simple question now. So,
Times
Faith,
3 again.
the question
That's why
thank you
I
very
said
much,
there's
times
three.
3. So to fill up Yes. To
30.
fill
The
up
answer is 30.
three, the answer is 30. Thank you. The answer is 30.
I'm done. It should go
Okay,
to
Favour, are you done?
no.
Okay, please, Favour, try and write quickly so that we can move on and take our break.
Dad, you not even jot this diagram.
Please, remember, we're not looking for perfect drawing, so just sketch, sharp, sharp.
Let me just draw anything. Let me just draw a small one. After the I'm done.
Okay.
Let me see what I wrote in number. So it's very simple. Last is Ola, and the third is Abby.
Don't worry, we'll find out if you are correct. We'll find out if you're correct. Can I go to number 11 now?
Yep, sir.
Okay, Favour is done. Are you sure Favour is done?
No. Almost.
Almost, okay.
Since morning now. I get ready.
Okay, may I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Favour, can I go ahead?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Okay, number 11. Interesting question.
Hmm.
It says where is it? Sorry. 4 friends took part in a car race. This one is a simple question. Again, they started at the same time, covered a distance of 24 kilometers. So what distance did all of them cover? 24 kilometers. Next question. Ola is the first person. Took 8 hours to reach the finish line. So what is Ola's time? 8
Last.
hours. Now, hold on, watch. Distance D is what? D is what? 24, isn't it?
Yeah.
I'll be checking your work now. Let's see who got it correct or not. So 24 kilometers. In fact, no time to start looking at it too much. 24 km. Ola finished it in how many hours?
Ola finished it in 8 hours.
8 hours. Thank you. Now, watch you. This is an interesting question. Ola finished it in 8 hours. What does that tell you? What is Ola's speed? Speed is equal to what?
3.
Yes.
3
Speed is equal to distance. Thank you very much. Correct. You're right. Speed is equal to 3 kilometers. How did you get the 3? 24/8. Am I right?
Yes.
Smart girls. Nice one. So you got that one. I'll give you 1 mark for that. So that's 3 equal to 3 kilometers per hour. So that is Ola's speed. Now, the next question. The next person, sorry. 3 km per hour. The next person is who? Who is the next person according to the question?
Abby? Wait again.
Abby finished a speed of what? Finished at a speed of what?
At the speed of
4 kilometers per hour. So Abby is what? 4 kilometers per hour. So let's just write Abby there. ABY.
So I see
Abby
not
is 4.
ABBY. That's how to spell Abby.
Okay, yeah, I think I misspelled it. It's my bad. Okay. 4 km per hour. Who is the next person? Who is the next person?
I don't know.
Who is the next person now?
I don't know.
His name is Kufre. You could not
Kufre?
pronounce it. Yes, Kufre. Yeah, that's how to pronounce that name. Kufre. Yes, it sounds funny, Abby. It's the name of someone from Akwa Ibom State, or well, I think Cross River too. They also bear that name. So Kufre took 4 hours to complete.
Are you from Abia?
Akwa Ibom? No, I'm from Abia. Yes, I told you before. So Kufre took 4 hours to complete the same race. Now, Kufre's speed is what? Who can tell me what Kufre's speed is? Yes, I'm waiting. 24/4.
Speed was 6.
Huh?
6.
Are you sure? Okay, good, correct. It was 6. So Kufre's speed was what? 6. And we know how we got that 6. 6 was gotten by what? 24/6, isn't it? 24/4 rather. Sorry, I'm sorry. 24/4. And 24/4 gave us what? 6. Okay, so Favour, sorry. Your answer is correct so far, isn't it? Favour, is your answer correct so far?
Yes.
Okay, nice. 6 kilometers per hour. Thank you. Now what next? Who can tell me the next one? Who's the last one now? Faith, who is the last person?
What's his name again?
You've forgotten. Adejo. Adejo should be a name you're familiar with, right? Adejo. Okay.
So was this people's name in your class when you were still little?
Interesting question. Okay, so let me see. Did I have anybody called Ola? No, I don't think I had anybody called Ola, but I had someone called Adejo, and I had someone called Kufre. Yes, but not when I was still little. When I was in secondary school, yes. But Kufre was when I was in the university. So yes, there are people from my past. Okay, so he said Adejo completed the same race at a speed of 8 kilometers per hour. So can you see what I'm doing? This, as I'm writing it like this, I want you to look at my screen. Oh. When you write it like this, can you see it makes it easier for you to know the answer? It makes it easier for you to know who came first, who came second, who came third, and who came fourth. Do you agree with me?
Yep.
Do you agree with me?
Yes, sir. I just said it.
Okay, so who came first by your judgment?
Ola came first.
Ola came first, right? Who came second?
Came second. Miss Abby.
Abi, okay. Kufre came third and Adejo came fourth, isn't it?
So, sir, so who was your best friend when you were still in school?
In secondary school, well, did I really have a best friend? I know that Adejo was close to me, really close to me. And we even lived close. Like, we could walk to each other's houses easily because we were living close. Yeah. Okay. So do you need to write down anything for number 11?
Yep, sir.
Okay.
Let me see what is. Yeah.
Okay. So go ahead and write down.
I'm going to finish very easy. 4 K.
Favour, are you saying something?
Nope. No.
Okay. I thought she was saying something.
Zero reflect. No. I'm not doing
Okay. So okay, so don't worry. I think once we finish with this, I think we'll just end for today. So we'll not need to take a break and come back again because our time has been long and fast spent.
I don't even know
Okay.
and I don't even know
You don't know
mathematics.
that
The mathematics is very simple.
it is. Sometimes it just needs you to think a bit, out of the box. So once you think out of the box, you figure out some things that were not, clear to you at first. Okay, so can I go on to number 12 now?
Nope. Yes.
Okay, it looks like Favour is done writing. So Faith, when you're done writing, please let us know. Can I move on now?
Almost done. I mean, I did die. I did.
Adejo. Okay, so can I go to number 12 now? All right, I can go ahead, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, all right, so Favour, let's see if you can help us with this. It says a circle has a diameter of 49 meters. A circle has a diameter of 49 meters. The question is this. Notice I did not say find the circumference of the circle, but look at how the question went. If Freke ran
Eh?
around, eh? Someone's name. It's short for Indy Freke. If Freke ran around the circle, yes,
In the
in
freaky.
11 hours. Are you listening to the question? Are you listening to the question? He ran around the circle in 11 hours. The question is this: what distance did he cover? And at what speed did he cover that distance?
If the speed. Let me say it out.
So, Favour,
Did
no,
it?
hold on. Favour, what should we do first?
If you look for the distance.
Good. What is that distance? How do we find that distance? They told you that somebody ran around a circle. So what's another name for the distance around a circle? Favour.
Far. How
Eh?
far? How far?
No.
So I say
What's
what?
another name? What's another name for the distance around the circle?
How long? Distance
It
is means
was
what? How long?
no.
Distance is how somebody, for example, for example, I said,
So now hold on. Let me correct Favour. Hold on before I hear from you, Faith. Favour, you when you said how far, yes, you are right about that, but that's not another name. That's a description. Another name for the distance around the circle is called circumference. Do you remember now?
yes,
So can you tell me the formula for circumference?
yes.
What's the formula? Talk to me.
The formula is R square.
Circumference? No.
Favor.
Circumference. Anytime you want, whenever you hear square, that thing should tell you is no more circumference. That's area. Faith, help her. What's the formula for circumference of a circle?
The formula of the circumference of the circle is half times three.
Where did you get half from? Half ke. In circle. Hmm.
No,
Do you people
pi
usually
and
go back to your
r
note?
pi
Yes,
r
what
is
did you say? Go ahead.
r
2 pi r. Is that what you said?
pi r times r
Mm-mm.
pi r r.
That is area. That is area. Circumference is 2 pi r. Simple. Just end it there. No square, no r times r. No. And then I gave people a second one. Please, oh, when you write this thing in your book, always read your book again. Hmm? Or what's the second one? Who can tell me if you remember?
Oh, you can remember it like pi r times pi r.
You're still saying pi r times pi r. Ha, ha. Hey.
Pi times pi.
Pi times d. Pi times d. That's pi times diameter. Oh yeah, which one should we use? 2 pi r or pi times diameter? Which one should we use?
Diameter. No, pi
Thank
r.
you. It's correct. She's right. The question gave us diameter, so we can't go and use the one that has radius. So we can just use diameter. And pi is usually what? 22/7. Are you both looking at my screen?
Yes,
Just look at my screen. This is the last one. Don't be tired.
don't do that.
Okay.
Use the restroom.
22/7 times what? Times diameter. Favour. I need your eyes on the screen, please. Don't allow anything to distract you now. Pi times d. And the d is what? Favour.
Um,
What is the diameter from the question?
hmm.
What's the value for the diameter from the question?
Favour has not been answering questions since. So
I'm waiting for her. Yes. From the question, what's the value for the diameter?
2, 5. 5.
So you were not listening when I was reading it. Eh? It's 49. Is it not 49 that I said?
Hey, thank you, sir. I say 5 equal 5.
Oh yeah. What are we going to do next? We'll divide, isn't it?
Cross multiply and we should.
We're not cross multiplying anything. We're dividing, please. Faith, don't come and confuse us. 7 in itself is 1. 7 in 49 is what?
7. So
7.
22
7
times
times 22 is what? Favour, please, I need that answer from you. 7 times 22 is what? Please do it in your book quickly.
Can I write it on our list? Give us a receipt.
No, don't write it. I want to hear from Favour. I want her to do it in her book.
You want to write it in? Sir, please be.
Don't write it on the screen. Don't write it.
I'm not writing
Don't
it on
write
the
it.
screen. I'm writing it in the chat book. Servicing it.
Yes, I've seen it.
Is the answer correct? Yeah.
Well, we'll find out. Okay. Yes.
Favour?
Favour, what did you get?
150. Yeah. 152. 154. And
She
so I
got it.
wrote
So that's correct. Both of you are correct.
what I wrote.
154. Now, 154 what? Who can tell me what's the unit? 154 what?
154, like what? 154. 154.
It's meters. It's
Yeah.
meters, okay? Do you know how I know it's meters? Do you know
Yeah.
how I know it's meters? Because the unit of the diameter is also what? The unit of the diameter is also what?
Meter.
Meters. Thank you very much. Now, so the question has 2 parts. He said, what distance did he cover and at what speed? So, Faith, sorry. What speed did he cover that distance? What's on the circle in 11 hours? So what speed was he using to cover that distance? Yes, I'm waiting.
Oh. Sir, can we just quickly do it because of I don't want this thing to log us out because of it showing us that the TV, our internet connection is unstable.
It will not log you out. The time you are using to talk all these ones, you would have finished doing it. What is speed?
Speed. Um, the
So you have
speed.
forgotten the formula for speed.
No,
Favour, do you
24,
want to help her?
24 centimeters, 24
24 what?
kilometer.
24 kilometers. This is a different question now. Faith, don't come and tell me that you are distracted. You have forgotten that we have left number 11. We are in number 12.
I'm not distracted.
Oh yeah, now. So why are you telling me a parameter, a number from number 11?
I'm not saying the parameter from 11.
Do you want Favour to help you?
Yeah, but Favour, you said that the question number 12 is for Favour.
No, I
You
didn't
know,
say that. I just asked her different questions. I didn't say number 12 is for her. I
I
can
don't
ask
want to.
anybody. I can choose which part I want to ask you or which part I want to ask her. So yeah, talk to me. Correct yourself quickly. Speed is equal to distance over time. What is the distance covered?
Distance is covered. The distance covered is.
It's 154 now. We just calculated it. How could you have forgotten that? We just calculated it. We
Oh,
said that
to
as he
say.
ran,
I will say
you want to say it.
that's I
Really?
did four for you.
Oh yeah, what is the time he used to cover it?
Sir? The time
What time did he use to cover it?
11.
11. Good. Now, Favour is the person that will help us to do this division. Favour, over to
Oh,
you.
thank you,
11 in
sir.
154 is what? Please look at it very well. 11 in itself is 1.
14.
Okay, correct. She's correct. It's 14. One
Oh,
remainder.
oh, mathematician. Boom, 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 boom,
One
boom.
remainder.
Sir,
4.
already got the answer. Sir, he told us in mental maths that in common interest we will not have time. So we will do like this. If you
Yes.
want to do 14
Mm-hmm.
times 11,
But sorry, Favour did not tell us the unit. Oh.
the unit favor. Meter question mark. If we do 14 times 11, you don't know. So they would have said, sir, would have done like this. They would have done like this. Would have done like this. You said anytime if you want to get a number, I know the
Mm,
answer. I divided it in 14. Instead when they said that if they
mm-hmm.
said that we should do what 14 times what? So times
Mm,
11 would have done
mm-hmm.
14.
You
So
add 1 and 4 together, isn't it?
yes, Favor has already forgotten that.
Uh,
4.
how, how, how do you know that she has forgotten it? But did she not
Because
just answer it correctly?
I know they said what if they ask us to say 14 times 11? I Favor can do
Mm.
till 11
Well,
and I
at
can
least
have finished.
she got this one correctly now. Didn't she
And
get
I
it
have said the
correctly?
answer is correct.
Now, what is this that you did?
I don't know. I
Um,
wanted to carry
I want
my
you.
this thing away. I want to carry my
Okay,
pencil
no
away.
problem. I understand. I want you to look at the unit. It's quite an interesting unit. Not normally speed is kilometer per hour, but this one we're having meters per hour. So this is just for this question. Typically, it's usually kilometer per hour or meters per second. Okay, but let's just leave it like this because
So
the
how can it
distance
be
is in meters.
kilometer per hour? It was
Good,
kilometer
nice
per.
question. Hold on now, hold on. Let me explain. What is the unit that the question gave you? Was it not in meters that we calculated the circumference?
Hmm.
Hmm? Was it not meters? Talk to me now.
Yep. Yes.
Good. What is the unit of 11 hours at the bottom? Is it not hours?
Oh.
Have you seen it now? When you divide meters by hours, what do you get? Is it not meters per hour? Do you understand now?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead and write. I think
That.
we can end there for today. Sorry, we did not take a break. I thought I would be able to finish it before um 10 o'clock, but we
Wait.
couldn't.
Hey, we even use 2 hours to solve 12 questions. So I'm going so I'm coming. I'm going. So please just give us Sir, even before 4 minutes was up, I wish didn't. Thank you, sir, for teaching us today. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank God. So I'll send. Are you sure I'll be able to do it homework? Okay, I'll send you homework. I'll send you some homework to do before our next class on Wednesday.
Oh my God. Sir, sir.
Yes, yes, you're done writing.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
So
that's good.
since we started our
How
class
about
on
Favour?
just done. So since we started our
Okay, good.
class on August,
Yes.
so the class,
I'm
are we
listening.
still going to finish it on 2026 or we'll still continue? Going to continue
We'll continue now. We'll
till
continue. Whenever you write your first common entrance, we'll know how. I think people usually do a mock common entrance. Let's see. By then, I believe you will be ready. We'll be able to see how good you are and how far you've come. Do you think you'll be ready to write your mock common entrance by
it's
the
mock.
time first term begin? Okay, the mock common entrance is the one that is like the real thing. They will time people. We'll not just have, this one that we're doing 2 hours, we'll do few questions. No, this one, 2 hours, you will do everything in 2 hours. Do you understand what I'm trying to say?
So which will be timed.
You will be timed, yes. So there's nothing like, let me do this one and check again, do this one. No, you have to be sure of what you're doing and you have to know what you're doing and do it quickly. Okay? Is that okay?
Yep, sir. Yes.
Favor, Favor, do you
Yeah.
understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. All right. So see you again on Wednesday by God's grace. Till then, bye-bye.
Bye bye. Just come and say bye bye. Bye bye. Come
Is
on.
that treasure's hand? Bye.
Bye, sir.